Hey Rosebuds, what is good? I go by the name of Claudia Rose here. For those of you who do not know, hi, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay here. If you like what you see today, consider subscribing. But anyways, today I am letting you in on my workout regimen. Today I'm doing the lower body part of my workout. I just kind of added HIIT workout along with lower body exercises. I'm going to do Fitness Splendor's warm up, so you won't see that in this video, but I can link what I used down below in the description. So I'll go ahead and do their warm up and then hop into the exercise I just kind of quickly put together. I hope you can see that. We have jumping jacks for 30 seconds, rest for 10 seconds, deadlifts 10 reps for the first set, and then you have jump squats for 30, rest for 10, go right into squat presses for the second set, and lastly for the third set you have burpees for 30 seconds. I forgot to write it there, but basically it's just kind of repetitive. I would then rest for 10 seconds and hop right into the curtsy lunges for 10 reps. Now I'm supposed to do this times 3, but we shall see how that turns out. I'm gonna try to push through and finish the workout. Baby is asleep, so I figured, you know what, why not? I have been doing workouts, but I figured, how am I supposed to be genuine to you guys if I don't actually post anything in regards to fitness? So yeah, I'll be back when I jump into the lower body exercises after my workout. So I'll see you soon. Okay guys, so I just finished Fitness Splendor, and if you don't know Fitness Splendor, you should know Fitness Splendor. They are awesome. They have free workouts on their YouTube channel.
If we never see tomorrow, babe, if we never make it through today, if we never see tomorrow, babe, I know that I lived how I wanted to. If we never see tomorrow, babe, if we never make it through today, if we never see tomorrow, babe, I know that I lived how I wanted to. flares. I think you're gonna have to be or you're gonna have to go flares. I think you're gonna have to be or you're gonna have to go flares.
Okay guys, so that completes the workout. If you cannot tell, I had a hard time at the end there to finish it. My legs were on fire. And I downloaded I cannot talk. I downloaded an interval workout timer, and I was still trying to figure out how to work it. So if it kind of looks like I'm a little lost, that's why. And then I also realized, instead of, for some reason the interval timer was confusing me. So instead of doing each strength exercise 10 times, I think I did it for 10 seconds. Typically you're supposed to cool down. But honestly, I'm just gonna sit here, drink the rest of my water. It's about 9 o'clock, so I probably won't eat anything. If anything, I'll have almonds or a protein shake. But yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want me to continue making these videos, also comment down below on what you'd like to see, what group exercises you'd like to see. And I will see you guys next time.